Now we are going to do open the sewerage network drawing, and also the house connection chamber types we will discuss now. So we will now check the sewer layout in GD1. Here it is in the IMARH common folder road and infra submitted shop drawings sewerage. So this one we are going to open. We are opening it. You can see that okay. On the second page, is clearly shown. Here we have this symbol. This symbol means proposed house connection. Proposed house connection 200 mm, 200 dia UPVC, and it is the proposed house connection chamber. So these dotted lines is house connection. In this house connection, we can see it is not dotted lines, but instead it is a continuous line. Continuous line we have proposed see line with chamber. This one proposed 200 mm dia UPVC sewer. Okay, so these connections are 200 mm dia UPVC chamber with the house connection chamber. So we got this one. It is in the UPVC chamber. Then it is this line is connected together, and this all line is connected together and going to this this manhole. This manhole is type B, and one line is coming from this blue line. Blue line is coming from type A manhole. This is a type A manhole. So this is blue line. What is the blue line? Which means it is a proposed 202 PVC line. This is also a proposed 200 mm PVC line, blue line. So it's all blue line. It's coming like this. It starts from here. So this area start from going to this manhole. This is type A manhole. From there to another type A manhole, then another type A manhole, and I think this one, oh, this one is a type A manhole. It's a junction manhole actually. Junction manhole. It's all junction manholes actually, but this here it is a type A manhole. There are two backdrops, house backdrops, and it is going to this arrow mark. You can see the arrow mark is going to the type B manhole, and type B manhole is again connected to type C manhole. So means this its height is increasing, and same way the diameter also increasing. So here type B was 3.22, but here it is a type 4. When it comes to type C, it is a depth is 4.18 depth. So from type C, it is again going to type C. From type C, it is again type C. It is going to type C, and again it is routed to type C. From here is also type C, and it is joining here, and it is going to type D manifold. This is a type D manifold. From type C, it is going to type D manifold. Its height is how much? It is around 6.833. From all this, from here it is a type D, but here it is a this one. This one is also type D. Type D. So because why? Because this diameter is changing to more than type C, so it is type D manifold. In the type D manifold, it is again diameter also changes. So from this type D manifold, it is going to type D, again type D. It is going to type E manifold. Type E into 7.79 meter. Again here it is type D, type C, type D, and it is going to type E. Then type T to 7.799, 7 point, again increase to type E. Then it's going to type E. Then why it is here type D? It should be 7.5. It is again reducing. How come it reduced from 7.93 to 7.5? There is a mistake. Yes, it should be there, and there is a tie-in connection. So something wrong here that we need to check. So now we need to find out what is the size of the type D and type E, because in this one we have this type E type has different sizes, but if it is matching, if type D is 7.553 is there, so that it can be used in front of type C, that we need to know. For that purpose, we need to open the manifold sizes as mentioned in our shop drawing or our tender drawings. So we are taking this drawing. It is having the type of manifolds and sizes. It is shown here. So we will open this one. Here this here several manifold details and type D sizes is given. In this we can see that lower shaft dia is 1.8 and upper shaft dia is 1 meter. Pipe range is 700 to 900, and the soffit depth range, we are discussing soffit depth range, it is 3.8 to 7.7. So in the previous drawing, so 700, we are using maximum 500 mm GRP line, so it's include both the E, but when here maximum depth of type D is 7.7, which in our case we have this is this one is 7.5 and it is 7.9 in the type C. That's why here it is type E, and it is type D, because we can use type D up to a depth 7.7. That's why here it is coming type D. So from type E it is going to type D, and and 500 GRP is used here, and it is coming from 500 GRP, 500 GRP. There is it is coming from 400 GRP and 250 UPVC. So from 400 UPVC, and 400 is 500 GRP is started. Here also 200 UPVC also is connected. It's depth. Why instead of it should be 200 250 mm, or why it is there? Because of the flow, calculated flow as per the design, which we will discuss when we discuss the flow velocities. So anyway, we have reached manhole drawings. So we will discuss the type of manhole again, and also the sectional details of the manhole. Now, when we come to manholes, this lower shaft diameter and the pipe and the depth is important. So the depth is a soffit depth. So here we can see that for A, B, C, the diameter starts from 1.2 meter, 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter. B and C have uh, same lower shaft dia, but B does not have upper shaft, so that's why B and C is there. Now D diameter is 1.8, E is 2.1, and F is 2.4, and the depth is also 1.4, 2.5, 3.5, 3.8. C and D has C 3.8, 4 and 4 meter, greater than 4 meter, and up to 9 meter we have depth of up to 9 meter is there. But as per this one, our maximum depth coming is a type E. Here type E is 7.9 meter he came. This is a invert level depth actually. So maximum 8 meter depth we came, and we can do it with up to type E actually. So in short, the manholes depth and lower shaft diameter changes and the type changes. Now we'll discuss the section of a sewer manhole. General section of a sewer manhole is shown here. It's we have a lower shaft and upper shaft is there, and there is a Here we need to know about the epoxy, sorry, benching and channeling, then granulithic flooring. Then we need to discuss GRP liner and the laminate our joint, and also the waterproofing, rubber ring. Why there is should be a rubber ring, and this bell mouth socket details and the Reka coupling details. That one we need to discuss. And also different class C, class A, class B concrete also. Okay, stop.